Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video, we are going to talk about the 3 useful AI features in FIlmora 12. So let's get started. So the first one is the instant mode. This feature helps you to create a simple video within a short time. I will show you a quick example of this feature. Here you can find this instant mode feature in this window. So here we have so many templates like travel, education, vlog, cinematic, and more. So I selected this template right here. So then we need to add some footage. So I added some stock footage to this. After adding your videos, click this auto create button. Now you can see our video is automatically created. So here you can add more text, change background music, and you can change the template you want. And also you can control all these effects, customize music settings, and text settings. So here you can adjust the clip order, and you can delete unwanted clips like this. Also you can customize these effects settings. And here you can change the ratio you want, and also you can resize this video size using this crop to fit feature. So after you finish editing the video, you can directly export it here. And if you need to add more effects and animation, click this timeline button, then you can move this whole project to the FIlmora editor. As you can see, this instant mode feature is a great option to create quick videos. So try it now, and share your experience in the comment section. Next one is the AI portrait. So this option helps you to cut the person and remove the background in a single click. So this is the video I used to show you an example. And I need to bring this text layer behind this girl. For that I take a copy of this video, and paste it top layer like this. So then we need to remove the background on this, so go to the AI tools, and enable this AI portrait feature. So now you can see it removed the background, and also our text layer is behind her. After that you can adjust the edge thickness and feather as you like. So this feature is so useful, and it is so easy to use. The third one is the audio stretch feature. So this feature I use for my YouTube video editing. So this is a timeline of my new video. And this is the background music I use. So now I need to add this music a few times for this. So you can take a copy, and match both audio, but it takes some time to get a perfect match. For that we have the audio stretch tool, so you can find this tool here, then select the end on the audio layer, and drag it to whatever duration you want. After that you can see it recreated our audio layer. Also it won't have any quality issues, so you can see it is very useful, and helps to save your editing time. So guys, these are a few of the best AI features in FIlmora. So if you use these features for your videos, don't forget to share your experience of these features in the comment section. Also finally, I need to remind you guys about the FIlmora giveaway. So you still have time to join the FIlmora 800K giveaway. If you like to join this giveaway, you need to like this video, comment, and tag some of your friends before 1st of September, so you can win cool prizes in this giveaway. I put the video link in the description, so don't miss the opportunity. Also, you have a chance to win $50 gift cards in the FIlmora email sign-up contest. So if you are interested in joining this, you can enter this contest before the 6th of September. There are a few requirements for this contest. 10 of you can win $50 Amazon gift cards. So I put the link in the description. You can check more information about it. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. And please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment about this video. And what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.